We are going to create a custom size, and this is going to be our presentation. So we need to type 1920 and presentation template would come, or we can simply type the height here. This is in pixel. We can also lock it, the aspect ratio, create a new design, and our new design would be created. And we can now rename the design. The design can be renamed presentation 2. And as soon as you create any design, the templates would appear on the left hand side of similar design sizes. We can have these templates, right? But we are not going to use it because, first of all, we are going to understand how we can use all the features effectively and save our time, because this is a one of a kind Canva tutorial, Canva course, where I'm going to teach each and every single thing in very detail. So here we come. Now this is editing a page. First of all, we already know that how we can change the background. We can change by the colors, so the colors can be changed, and we can also change the colors by gradients. So here are the gradients. We can also edit the gradients. If we can double click over here, I think we are not able to do so as of now, so leave it as of now. So this is first thing, that we can change the colors. The colors can be a gradient, and we can change the color by images. Suppose we are having some images, and the images can be found in the elements option. And here, if we can scroll towards the bottom, here are the photos. We can click in front of the photos, see all. We can search on the background, click on the background. Different backgrounds would appear here, and I'm showing each and every single thing in a free version as of now. So here we are having this background. So we need to also observe a lot of things. When this was not here, when I selected, a lot of options started appearing. What are the options? These corners can be used to increase or decrease the size. These corners can also be used. If we can hold the shift button, we can crop it like this. If we can hold the control button, it can be resized like this. If we can hold the alt button, it can be cropped from both sides simultaneously. And same way, if we hold the alt button and is move these two holders, this can be cropped in this way. So, and also we are seeing here, this could be a duplicate, so we can duplicate. And if you want to delete, we can simply remove it from the design area. It would be deleted, or it can be deleted from here. And if we right click over here, we can replace the background. The background has been replaced. Now we will see how to duplicate the page. Here we are having the duplicate button, so we can duplicate the page. We can duplicate the page, and if we change the background of this second page, so this is the second page, this is the first page. We can move first page up and down. So we have moved the page towards up. If you want to add a new page, we can also hold control and press enter, a new page would be created, and we can add multiple pages very fastly. And here in the bottom you can see we have added 94 pages, and that was using shortcut control and enter. Control plus control and enter. If you can use these two shortcuts, if you use these shortcut, a lot of pages would be added. So this is the video about managing page. But here's few more thing. We have understood duplicating a page, adding a new page using editor. Now we want to delete the page. The page could be deleted like this, and we can also use delete button after selecting. Backspace button if we want to delete the pages. Here we can delete the pages. And if you want to delete a lot of pages in one go, you can click here in the bottom, and here we are seeing a lot of pages are here. So we can select one page, and when we can select all, control and A, so all the pages will be selected. We can delete all the pages, but we don't want to delete these three pages, so we can deselect them like holding the control button, and we can delete all these 83 pages. So this was about managing our pages. Now we will see how we can hide the pages. We can close the grid view here. The grid view is now closed. If we want to hide the page, the hide page is not appearing as of now because we haven't that selected. The hide page only appear if we have it selected, right? So now we can hide this page. So this page is hidden. If we want to unhide page, we can unhide it. We can also lock the page. When page is locked, mm, when page is locked, no changes can be made. So you can do this. Now we will see zooming in or zooming out of the page. We can use the editor. We can maximum 500%. We can zoom 500%, and this is 10%. We can also use control and plus to zoom it, and control minus to zoom in and zoom out, control plus and control minus. We can also use control and 0. Control and 0 will zoom it to 100%, and control alt 0 will zoom it to fixed, which is visible to us fully. Control alt 0 and control 0 to 100%, control alt 0 to 31% in case of presentation, and this would be visible on the Canva editor. We can also change it in grid view, control alt 3. So this grid view can also come using the shortcut control alt and 3, control alt 1, control alt 2. This comes control alt 2, control alt 2, control alt 1, control alt 3. So this is control alt 3, this is control alt 2, and this is control alt 1. This is how we manage the text box. This is how we manage the pages of a Canva design effectively. Thank you.